I have fun. Here's my here's my coffee. You know what? It's very terrifying. All vlogger in the Philippines about the 30s of Arthur is destroyed. So asking Senator Trillanes is demanding to about this blogger and over the crime unit fits for the program in all senatorial government to compromise but to years of social media about the posting and less criminal video edited for research because you're always had but you are the fake research video to explain it in wrong delivered to our government politics whatever the international board is affected the your CEO platform are defected and our here to me is delivers problem kaya mga vloggers sa Philippines maghihirap na kahit mamumulubi na kayo. Oh my gosh.